Hello students, let us see English grammar, direct and indirect speech. There are two ways of reporting what a person has said, direct and indirect speech. Direct speech. Here the exact words of the speaker are put within double inverted commas and the spoken words begin with a capital letter. This way of reporting a speech is called direct speech. For example, Mel said, "My brother is ill." Indirect speech. Here the reported words are not put within double inverted commas but are introduced by the conjunction that. This way of reporting a speech is called a indirect speech. The verb which reports the words of the speaker is called the reporting verb. In the above sentences, the reporting verb is said. Let us see some rules to change direct to indirect speech. To change from direct to indirect speech, we have to follow 6 steps. First, identify. Second, change of reporting verb. Third, replace with that. Fourth, change of pronoun. Fifth, change of tense. And sixth, that is update time specific words. Let us see one by one. First step is to identify. Subject to object. Reporting verb. First, second and third person in reported speech. If the reporting verb is in the past form, then the tense in the reporting speech. Second step is to change of reporting verb. Said to will be converted to told. Said will be converted to said. Say to will be converted to tell. Says to will be converted to tells. Third step is to replace the inverted commas with that. Fourth step is to change of pronoun. First person will be decided as per subject. Second person will be decided as per object. Third person will remain unchanged. Fifth step is to change of tense. For present tense, simple present will be converted to simple past. Present continuous will be converted to past continuous. Present perfect will be converted to past perfect. Present perfect continuous will be converted to past perfect continuous. For past tense, simple past will be converted to past perfect. Past continuous will be converted to past perfect continuous. And past perfect continuous, there will be no change. For future tense, will and shall will be converted to would and should. Can or may will be converted to could or might. Sixth step, change of words denoting time. Here will be converted to there. Tomorrow will be converted to the next day. Today will be converted to that day. Yesterday will be converted to the previous day. This will be converted to that. Now will be converted to then. Tonight will be converted to that night. Now let us see example. She said to me, "I am playing football with you now." Now let us convert it into indirect speech. First step is to identify. She is the subject here. Me is the object. Said to is the reporting verb. I in the first person here. You is the second person. And tense is in the present continuous tense. Second step, change of reporting verb. Said to will become told here. Third step, replace inverted commas with that. So the sentence will be like, she told to me that. Fourth step, change of pronoun. Here I is the first person, subject is she, so I will change to she, and you is the second person and object is me. So you will be converted to me. Fifth step, change of tense. Here tense is in present continuous, so it gets converted into past continuous. In this case, am playing will be converted to was playing. Sixth step, change of words denoting time. Here the word now will be converted into then. So the sentence in indirect speech will be, she told me that she was playing football with me then.